In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a film and TV watch list in Notion using a free template. This makes it easy to keep track of movies and shows you want to watch. Let's get started. Open Notion and go to the Templates gallery. In the search bar, type Film and TV Watch List and browse the available templates. Choose the template you like, then click Use this template to add it to your workspace. Once the template opens, explore the database. Most watchlist templates include properties such as title, genre, status, rating, release, date, and notes. Click New to add a movie or TV show. Enter the title, choose the genre, set the watch status, and add any personal notes or ratings you want to keep. You can customize the template by adding properties like streaming service, trailer link, favorite actor, or watch date to match your own workflow. As you watch new movies and shows, update their status and ratings to keep your watch list organized and up to date. That's how to set up a film and TV watch list in Notion. Thanks for watching.